So guys, harvest time. So nakita nyo, ang daming bunga. Oh, mag-harvest na tayo. And this is the long beans. Yan. Oh, kita nyo guys, a lot. Meron pa doon. I-harvest natin to. Pwede na to. 1. Ito rin. 2. 3. Ito. Meron din ito sa kanayan. See, ito rin. Oh. See, there's a lot of long beans. See, and then also here. Pwede na ito. Oh. Harvesting. And this one also. Hindi pa to. Okay guys, ang dami na. Tapos meron pa dito sa taas. Yan. Oh. Meron pang tumutubo dito. Oh. It's a lot of long beans. Yung mga flowers na yan, that's a long beans already. See, ito pa. Oh. So, kumuha tayo nito pang put in the sinigang or puchero. You can use this one. So, last week, I harvested 10 pieces of long beans. So, this is the one, guys. It's beautiful. Long beans all the way.